how do you find your App Store password on the iPad? Let me show you some ways you can get it to work in all realms. So let's get started. If you're new here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So the first step would be to check out the Passwords app. Even though it's not very likely that you have stored it in here, but it is possible that your passwords are actually part of this. So it is possible that you will be able to find it right here. Obviously, just make sure that you have it stored all in here. So you'll be able to just go to your password and see it right here. Right, so that would be the first way, and it's possible that it's actually stored in here for you too. But the second approach would be to open up the settings instead, and when you tap on your profile at the top, you can see we have all of the different things which are part of your Apple account and Apple ID. So you can go to the sign in and security section in here, and this is where you can manage all of the information like the passwords and stuff, right? So what you can do is to click on a change password, and it is possible that you will not even be required to type in the old one to change to a new one, because you are part of your iPad and you authenticated yourself with your Face ID and everything. So you should have the ability to change to a new password even if you don't remember the old one. So this is how you can find your App Store password, or better said, how to create your own new one, which you will then remember properly. But I hope it makes sense. Let me know what you think about this video below. Let me know if it worked for you. Hit the thumbs up if it did. Subscribe for more, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.